make my router more secure? ASUS router provides users a smooth wireless internet connection. Between internet and intranet, routers play a crucial role for the network security. The following settings can prevent the cyber attack or the leakage of the personal information. 1. Set your wireless network encryption as WPA2 AES. Set a system to WPA2 AES as your default encryption. Keeping the system in WPA2 AES encryption is the first step to secure the network safety. 2. Set up 2 individual and complex passwords for your wireless network and router settings. Please use 2 different passwords for the wireless network and the router settings admin. This can prevent someone who knows the wireless network password from logging into web GUI. Also, set your passwords with more than 8 characters mixed with capitalized letters, numbers, and special characters to increase the security level. 3. Update your router to the latest firmware. You can check if there is any new update available via Settings page or ASUS Router app. New version of firmware usually includes new security fixes. 4. Enable the firewall. Always keep the firewall on to prevent all kinds of threats from the internet. 5. Enable AI protection. ASUS AI Protection protects your router and LAN devices from potential threats and increase the security level. Enable AI protection to let the app help to ensure the security. 6. Disable Telnet, SSH, and the access from WAN. Telnet and SSH allow you to use Linux commands to control your router. The access from WAN allows you to enter your routers from the internet. However, they also lead to higher risk for external threats. Go to Administration in Advanced Settings to disable those functions when there are no specific requirements. 7. Do not enable DNZ. You can expose your computer to the internet by enabling DNZ, and this will also expose yourself in the risk of getting attacked. Do not enable this function if there is no special requirements to do so. After finishing the basic steps above, we can prevent most of the potential threats. Enjoy the secure network through ASUS routers. Welcome to subscribe our ASUS Support channel, like the video and share your comments. We're happy to provide you with more useful information.